Today's homes are energy efficient, well insulated, and tight. That's why they need ventilation that replaces stale indoor air with fresh air from outside. A true fresh ventilation system from Honeywell introduces fresher air into your home and helps reduce stale air and lingering odors. It works with your heating and cooling system, but it also works independently to make sure your family is always breathing fresher air. Best of all, it's economical to operate, just pennies a month. And True Fresh whole house ventilation systems are completely automatic. All you have to do is breathe.